Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Lima beans can be surprisingly delicious when prepared well. Forget any past negative experiences you might have had, especially with those mushy, overcooked varieties from the past. We will guide you through simple steps to transform them into a truly flavorful, enjoyable dish. Get ready to discover their creamy texture and subtle, earthy taste, which will completely change your perception. For truly delicious Lima beans, start with 1 pound of fresh or frozen Lima beans. Quality ingredients make all the difference. You will also need a tablespoon of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, and some salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. If you are using frozen beans, ensure they are thawed completely before cooking. Fresh beans should be rinsed thoroughly under cold water. Sautéing your Lima beans briefly before simmering is key. This quick step truly unlocks their natural sweetness and helps prevent them from becoming mushy. First, melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat, then add your prepared Lima beans and stir gently for about 2 minutes. Next, pour in the 1/4 cup of broth, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and then cover the pan. This method ensures wonderfully tender, flavorful beans. Continue to cook your Lima beans for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until they reach that perfect tender crisp texture. You want them soft enough to eat comfortably, but still retaining a slight bite. Remember to stir them occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent sticking to the pan. Once cooked to your liking, taste the beans and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Serve your perfectly cooked Lima beans immediately, allowing their fresh, warm flavors to shine. They make an incredibly versatile and delightful side dish, pairing wonderfully with roasted chicken, grilled fish, or even a simple pan-seared steak. Beyond just a side, you can also easily incorporate them into various dishes, like mixing them into a savory rice pilaf or adding them cold to a vibrant summer salad. Enjoy this surprisingly delicious vegetable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.